Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here, Valens Tech, and you are one of the 10 people that bought the OPPO Find X6 Pro in Europe, and you are not getting your hands on the latest OTA update that introduces so many improvements and also camera fixes. Then this is the right video for you. Some words about the update, guys. As you can see, stability improved, Dolby Atmos profiles, user experience, so quite a lot of things. Communications also, right? But see, camera, guys, improves the quality of photos taken using the telephoto camera, improves the skin tone of portrait photos, and there is a way, by the way, to fully remove the retouche and just get some natural skin tones. Also, very important, guys, adds a 2 zoom feature in portrait mode for the rear camera, which should be like unbind 2x zoom. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice feature. Also, adds a 2 zoom feature in some shooting modes for the video, time lapse, text scanner for the rear camera, improves the quality of the photos taken in the photo mode at night. This is something I'm looking forward to, because I am doing some tests with the S23 Ultra, still doing better photos at night comparing to the OPPO. Reduces the power consumption when videos are taken. Hasselblad iconic orange shutter button, guys. Image quality of videos taken at a high zoom ratio, and improves the camera stability, right? And this is, guys, this update. So the update is 10.13.101.25, and I now get the update only because there is this one legendary guy on Twitter, TRRX75, who showed me how to do it. And it's not that I didn't really try, guys. I tried to download some VPNs, connect directly to China, connect to France, connect to so many countries, but at the end of the day, it's a Chinese phone, right? So thanks to this guy, TRRX75, legend, bro. He told me to get this application. So basically, guys, you need to go to the market, right? I don't know really how it works, but you go to the market, you type the Gplay, and then you're gonna get this crazy icon. So right now I don't get it because I have the application installed, but when you type Gplay, guys, you should get this icon there. Then just install this application. So when you first run it, guys, it's gonna be crazy, right? Let me just try to do it together with you. When you first run it, everything's gonna be on Chinese. So you need to click here and eventually to connect, okay? So you need to click one more time, and then you're gonna get access to the VPN. But for me, it didn't really work that way. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to just kill it and try to clean the cache so that I'm able to show you the exact steps, because it took me some time to figure this out. So clear the cache, clear the data, guys. So running it for the first time with you, okay? So I'm starting it for the first time. First time you need to click here. All right, Apple is going to open. I even don't have a clue what it says. I need to connect. Then, guys, you need to press here, right? And then go back and then press the connection. Nothing really will happen. So press here, guys, and now it will start to connect. Now press on this right button, guys, and you should see here this VPN icon. And now, guys, when you go inside the settings and you go about device and you click here on the ColorOS, guys, you should receive this update. Now I'm doing this together with you on camera. Have in mind, when you are downloading through VPN, it's going to be slower. But what I want to do is like trick the system to start getting the OTA over the air update. Then I'm going to kill the VPN, and I just hope that the download won't be interrupted. All right, download. Now the download, guys, is gonna start. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, should I kill this? I mean, it really works also with the VPN. So you know what, leave it like this, guys. It's quick, right? So view updates, definitely going to update my phone and get this new camera improved. Then I'm gonna like fully retest it also on video camera, and when I put my review against the S23 Ultra, I'm gonna know that I'm running the latest software. So again, thank you so much, TRRX75. You are a legend, bro. Your help really much appreciated, guys. And for all, again, the 10 users in Europe with the Find X6 Pro, guys, just do this and make sure to get all the updates. Now I'm here, guys, and you can just see preparing the system update. So my phone is already working on the update. Yeah, I have the VPN activated. I'm connected to somewhere mainline China, so this is probably the only way for you to get it. This guy is just telling me you can use this app to connect to, okay, where OPPO rolls out auto first. After installing, you want to select the options to the top. So I'm gonna leave the link down below to his tweet in the video description, guys. Right now I'm already preparing my system. I really hope that the other 10 users in Europe are gonna be happy updating their OPPO and don't have to wait so much. Thank you so much, guys. VST over and bye.